Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. Today we will talk about stomach function and its parts. Your stomach is a muscular organ that digests food. It is part of your gastrointestinal (GI) tract. When your stomach receives food, it contracts and produces acids and enzymes that break down food. When your stomach has broken down food, it passes it to your small intestine. The four main sections of the stomach are the cardia, fundus, body, and pyloric part. As the name implies, the cardia surrounds the cardiac orifice, which is the opening between the esophagus and the stomach. It is the